Hey there, guys. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the LED clip-on book light. This is something that really saved me. I like it a lot. I've used this for probably going on maybe 3 to 4 months now, and I'm an avid reader. What it is like, what I like to do is like take a book, read it, and settle down while reading it. You read a book. If you're reading like late at night or something, and the person next to you is wanting to go to sleep, so they want the lights off, you can't even have the side light on because that even is kind of annoying. But I like to read a book and doze off while reading it. I like a good, fantasy novel or something like that. But this came along, which is really, really cool. It's a clip-on. You clip on it's a little light with a little bendable attachment at the top, for the light, so you can bend it in any direction. And this clip-on right here clips to the book and makes it so you can bend this over the book like that, light up the words on the page. It's really good, and this clip is really strong, so it's not going to move. And this you can bend any direction you want. It's really good. Yeah. So you would attach that and then just put that on, and you got instant light just for the book that you're trying to read. And actually, what's good is you can use this for just about anything you want to illuminate. Say you're working on your car engine at nighttime or something like that, and you don't have any light, you can clip this on to any piece that's in there and bend this over the part you're working on and work on it like that. Anything in the dark, it's really, really good. Really good. It has a lithium battery that's inside here that is replaceable. This is the only color I've seen this in. It would be a shame that it's only in white. I like white. I would like it if they had say a black one or a silver one, or at least a semi-gray one. That would be nice, because it just, would be cool to be able to alternate colors sometimes. Okay, and I've been using this light for several months now, and it has not faltered yet. The battery has not run out, and I use it every night. So I'm not sure how long it's going to go, but so far it's been holding out strong. It's not flickering or anything. It's really, really good. This bendable wire right here is it really does whatever you need it to. It will not give you a problem bending it in the direction that is suitable for you. Really works well. It came at the right time for me too, because my significant other was getting pretty annoyed with me leaving the lights on next to the bed trying to read the book, and she couldn't sleep. This came along at the right time, and it gives you that little privacy that you need just for yourself to look at the book and not disturb anyone else. It's really good. I like it a lot. That was a really good idea. I don't know how long these have been on the market, but I had just discovered this year. I'm very glad I did that. I mean, that it came into my possession. They also make a pretty good gift. I mean, if you know any avid readers, out there, most people who read like to read in bed, before going to bed, to settle down. So I think this would make a really good gift. Yeah, I mean, why not, right? And they're very, very economical. You're not going to spend a lot on these. So, I mean, you can buy several and still be like, I haven't spent anything. Yeah, they're very good. Very, very good. I recommend these. The only downside I would say is if it's only in white. But because I only seen it in white. So that would be the only downside I would see. Okay, well, that is the LED clip-on book light. Yeah. I hope you guys use this information. These are really good. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.